In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting fake virus alerts and pop-ups while using Google Chrome. So to fix this, first click this three dot icon and then go to settings. Now in the Chrome settings window, go to privacy and security. Now here you need to click on this site settings option. Now in this window, scroll down and then click on notifications. In here, scroll down and go to this allowed to send notifications section and then look for any suspicious sites. If you see any site that shouldn't be here, simply click this three dot icon and then select block. So this will basically stop that site from sending you notification or fake alerts. Now go back to the previous menu, go to the content section and then look for pop-ups and redirects. In here, you need to scroll down and go to this allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. Now look for sites that shouldn't be here. Click the three dot icon and then block them as well. You can also select this don't allow sites to send pop-ups option so that sites can no longer ask you to send pop-ups and redirects. Finally, click this extensions menu. Go to manage extensions. Now if you see any suspicious extension that you don't remember downloading, simply remove it, or if you are seeing an extension that you don't use anymore, remove it as well and then check if the issue is resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.